Hello everybody, what's going on? Back on the water. Finally back from a busy week of home construction. Last trip we were back on the water was actually for Fern's birthday, that kayak camping trip. So it feels amazing to get back out here. We still have had no rain. It's kind of annoying. We're stuck to 2 or 3 rivers. We're back on the San Marcos River right now. CFS is rolling about 120, so used to it being around 300, so it's drawn down, but the river flow's still solid. Actually out with my father for an early Father's Day gift. Not gift, just Father's Day in general. So they have some kayaks, and look at these little things. I don't know how he does it. We offered to give him some 12-foot kayaks, and they just like those little 8-foot kayaks for some reason. But spent another wonderful day out on the river. It's supposed to be like 98 is the high today. Gonna enjoy this pool of water for a little bit, and then I'll get y'all thrown back up. I got a new GoPro because my old one took a poop on the kayak camping trip, so hopefully this new one's better. Gives better audio, better video. We'll see how it works. Yeah, usually you can go right or left here, but the water is... Yeah. I was just thinking left or right. You read my mind. Left would be your only option. It's funny, we all think we paid an arm and a leg. I know. Oh, finally.
Ooh, first one of the day.
We both got, oh, Raymond got a stick, I got a fish. Huh?
So is that oak? Ooh, foul hooked a sunfish.
Get a baby?
Yeah, I foul hooked them.
What is it?
It's like a bluegill. Whoops. And my first fish. I worked hard for that one. It was like an hour in the making. It's a bluegill. It's my second one.
Really?
Yeah.
Are they hitting that deep diver?
Yeah. I mean, it's better than nothing.
Well, I guess that's true.
I mean, look at this one. This one's a pretty good size.
I saw him. He was putting up the fight.
I for sure thought that was a bass.
I'm gonna catch this bass over here, Brayman.
What'd you say?
I'm gonna catch this bass over here. There's one in the same spot.
Yeah.
Oh, there was one there, but he was very small.
Wait, is that where you got that 5-pounder?
Yeah. I was aiming for a 6. I caught a 6-incher. Dang, yeah, this is low.
It's still flowing. That's what.
Yeah, that's, well, it said it was 120.
That's the CFS. Well, I mean,
It's like
3 times.
triple, quadruple everything else.
Yeah.
They're everywhere. Ooh, that little bass almost crushed my lure, but he did not. See if we can. Come on, buddy. Got him. I saw him come out.
Oh, what is that?
A bass. I saw him come out. He chased it the first time. Those suckers?
Little suckers?
Yeah, those little sucks. Another little guad. They're eating good today on the drop shot. The sun, in the high sun, this algae grows real bad. Because the lake's the same way. Yeah, all that hyacinth has been growing like wildfire. Oh, got one. Oh, he's good too. I tried to boat flip him into here. Ah, silly mistake. I went to boat flip him. I don't know why, the current's real fast here, and I went to just throw him on the front, and the biggest one I've seen so far, but hopefully there's another one in here.
Oh, is that a snake? Oh, it is. Yeah. You see him?
Where?
It's coming this way, kind of.
Is he floating down the river?
Right there.
Oh, God.
Oh,
Oh, no.
that's a
Go
big
away.
one.
What is it?
That looks like a western water. What do they call them?
Yeah.
Water snake.
That is huge.
No, I don't think so. Oh, he's coming
Get
for
on
you,
your
Dad.
boat.
Oh, God, he's coming up your tire. Get in. Go the other way. Oh, not the other. Oh, my God.
That was crazy. I usually run away from you.
That was exciting.
Time to move.
Yeah, that's our mush out of here, if you will.
I can't believe he did that. I was expecting him to dive and then take off.
I know. Like, I'm coming for you, buddy.
Well, he was like, hey, I live here.
I live here. You're
You need to get over there. My family's over there.
it did seem like he was on a mission.
Hopefully this pace isn't too slow for y'all.
No? Not in any hurry.
No. Don't let us deter how you do your thing.
Yeah, do whatever you do.
We're enjoying it.
In nature. I don't get this. We haven't done rivers in a long time.
Texas rivers and streams.
And I love the lake, but I just get tired of doing the same thing.
You want some bait, Raymond?
Oh, shit.
Look at that. I
Scared
just
me.
pulled him out of the river.
No, do you remember how many?
Oh, no, I don't.
Got one. A little baby.
Got one?
Yeah, I knew he'd be over there. Now he's freaking out. Quick release. Ramo?
Huh.
Another guad?
Oh, nice. You remember this, but like, hey, I think that's my last time, so. Can't really tell how deep it is over there, though. Oh, shit. First bass of the day. Damn, dude.
Bigger.
Might be personal smalls. don't know if you saw that, personal smalls. Oh no, he's like right under 6, but
Yeah, but he's not even big. They're so good at making you feel like you really hit something that's worth it. Setting the hook to rip a face's jaw off. Ah, Jesus! Yeah, he got me twice. So I had to catch him twice. I stuck him in the jaw. Now we're gonna paddle just a smidgen. We haven't checked GPS yet, but I have a feeling we're like maybe a little under halfway. Oh my God, is he gonna do it? Did you see how deep it was?
Okay.
Oh my God. How was it?
Oh my goodness.
Worth it?
That's pretty high. Didn't touch.
You touch?
Nope.
I kind of want to do it now. He did it. Raymond, you want to give it a go? No? Oh, you can't walk very well. We're gonna do it, baby.
Yeah. God, I wouldn't. That's like higher.
Launching.
You going?
That is awesome. Well, that was exhilarating. My neck hurts now.
yeah.
My thing doesn't touch.
Mm-hmm. That was not a cow.
You know, meat and fruit, a lot of vegetables, a lot of, you know, it's okay to eat turkey and chicken, and she doesn't want me to eat red meat, but I do.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. I heard something, I thought,
First good one of the day, or a decent one.
yeah.
Woo!
Your parents done? Do we need to finish up? Probably not used to being out this long.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know, like 2 or 3 more.
2 or 3 more what?
Cast. Nice. Oh, these 2 guys are. Oh. Like you said, Raymond. Exactly. Yeah.
How big?
Alright, I guess I'll measure one of them. Biggest one of the trip so far for me. Oh, hot dang. Oh, God, okay. He's feisty. He's a 15 and a halfer. Thank you, senior bass.
Oh yeah, do you good one to finish off the day?
Well, that's gonna wrap it up. Another wonderful day out on the river. San Marcos River has been good to us. Always has water. At least the section that we've been doing recently is 120 to 150 CFS. So that's probably where we'll be most of the time from here on. Well, until we get rain. The weatherman's forecasting rain today, but you know how they are. They're generally wrong. So hopefully we can get some rain here in the hill country. I'd like to do some other rivers other than the San Marcos, but I think till we get a solid rain from here on out, either the lakes or the San Marcos River is where we'll be headed. So if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and we'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.